Okay, welcome to all. And today we discussed about the classification of kingdom of Plantae. Then all of you know for the plants, then everywhere it will be occupied for the plants in our earth. But it will be basic general characters we discussed here. Then basically the plants are the multicellular. Then also some aspect for the described then multicellular organism. They are one of the multicellular in our biosphere. In plants, then some species they are including in the unicellular also. For example, for the algae, okay, then they are under the unicellular organism. The approximately in plant kingdom they are 3 lakhs, more than 3 lakhs different species it will be occupied in our land system and water system. Then also it will be some other there. Then some unique characters for the plants. They have a cell wall. It will be made up of the cellulose. Then also it will be some special character for that will be care on the vacuoles. Vacuoles it will be a major role of the storage of the food. It will be presented in the plant cells. Then also it will be reproductive through to the asexual and sexual. Then some species they are involved to the vegetative reproduction also it will be included. Then there are two stages of the life cycle in plants. They are commonly called on the haplotonic and diplotonic. They are it have a single set of chromosome. They are we called on the haplotonic. Then it will be more than dominant of their life cycles. Then they are commonly this process is called on the alternative generations. Okay. Then classification we all know for the father of the botany, the Linnaeus. And it will be described for the more number of the classification. But today we discussed or follow for the then Enklers, then 1883. They are divided into the system of classifications in plant. They are two kind, then thallophytes and the embryophytes. Then thallophytes we also known for the undifferentiated body structures. We call them the thallophytes. Embryophytes they are mostly we know for the seed plants. Okay. Then also we known for the thallophytes it is called on cryptogamy. Cryptogamy it is the common characters for the hidden of the sex organ. Then cryptogamy they are further subdivided into the three groups: thallophytes, embryophytes and pteridophytes. These three groups they are have a hidden kind of the sex organ. The sex organ we called on the spores, then sporangia, they are also will be hidden into the thallus in cryptogamies. Then another group we called on the phanerogame, it will be commonly called on the seed plant. There are two groups they are called on the seed plants, gymnosperm and angiosperms. The gymnosperm it will be commonly known for the naked seeds. Then angiosperm also we know for the special character for the flower. Okay. Then further angiosperm will be divided into the dicots and the monocots. Then this is the overall summary for the classification of the plants. Then first of all we are classified to the plants. They are differentiated for the plant body. Then plant body based upon the plant body we classified into the two kinds. Then thallophytes and another some kind. Okay. Then we have here do not separated for the root, stem and leaf. They are called on the thallophytes. Then another we differentiated. Okay. Then stem and roots and leaves. Okay. Then further they are divided into the bryophytes and tissues plant. Okay. They are commonly called on the vascular tissue and cork cambium tissue. They are so many kind of the tissues to be present in the plants. But we divided into the vascular tissue presence and the vascular tissue options. Okay. Then bryophytes we commonly call to the do not have the vascular tissue. Then another we called have a vascular tissue. Then based upon the they are divided two groups. Then another we called divided into the two groups: seeds having and do not having a seeds. Then they are called into the two groups. Then produced on the seeds they are gymnosperm and angiosperm. They are final their categories. Then mostly it will be have a seeds, but it will be used with reproductive. Then used upon the next generation to form in the lives. There are five groups they are classified. First of all, they are algae. They are we commonly called on thallophytes. They have a differentiated to the thallus based upon the plant body. The next we divide to based upon the vascular tissue. Then bryophytes and pteridophytes. The next we divided into the based upon the seeds. Then seeds presence they are gymnosperm and angiosperms and do not have a seeds for the pteridophytes. Then finally we divided into the having a seeds and fruits. Okay? Gymnosperm it do not have a fruits. It will be an acted kind of fruits. And also we know for the ovary and ovules. Then ovules will be presence of the seeds. Then formation of the fruits. Then finally the angiosperm, then it will be adapted to the all over the area for ocean and terrestrial and epiphytic all things. But further they are divided into the two groups. Thank you.